Ano masama? Oh my God, feeling ko magkakasakit ako. So yeah. Yeah, kakakain ko lang ng lunch. And then, ang gagawin ko lang today ay naglilinis tayo ng buong bahay. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakapaglinis ng bahay. Hindi ko na namamap tong floor. And then, hindi ko na namalisan yung labas. Yung sito shit. Puro putek. Yung dinosaur nandun pa din. Yeah, yun lang muna yung gagawin natin ngayon. Chill lang tayo. And then, yeah, let's start doing that shit right now, yo. Bago pa ako tamarin. Maglilis na tayo. Ay, wait. Let me prep my shit. Alright, Wikuchi out of queen. Tabi lang muna natin to. And then, lalagay lang natin to dito. Is that type sheet? Oh, wait. See right there, see right? Now, how do you do this shit? First time ko lang magkakabit ng ganito. Yung huling nagkabit pa ng ganito, yung mami ko. Papasadahan na natin ng isang ganito. Oh my God! Feeling ko talaga magkakasakit ako. Papasadahan na natin ng isang ganito yung buong bahay. And then, magmamap tayo. And then, maglilinis na kung ano-ano, right? Is that type shit? That's how we do it. Okay. This is type shit. I just need to click it. Now we Gucci. Tapos sadahan na natin sa ganito yung bahay. Yung buong bahay. And then, let's go do it, y'all. Let's go do it. Oh, wait, y'all. Before we clean our floor, inisip na natin itong Crocs natin kasi madami siya. See that? And then damay na rin natin ito. What the hell eh? Like a shit box. Yo, chill. Oh, masisira na naman yung solid ng sapatos ko. What the hell eh? I think this too much. Oh, nice. It's light. So we're gonna let it marinate there real quick. And then yeah. And then we clean my Crocs too, y'all. Gucci. Now let's go back to our shoes, huh? Ew. I tell we Gucci here, we Gucci. Damn! That's how you feel? The heli? Now we good, Joe. Now, let's go clean the floor around the house, right? Need some lights. Lights here, lights here. Lights here, lights there. Let's go do it. Tingnan natin kung gaano kadami yung makuha natin, right? Gaano karaming alikabok ang makuha natin. Oh, am I a homebodies? Am I one of the homebodies? Feel ka sobrang dami na nito. What the hell eh? Kasi first time ko lang na ganito yung floor ng bahay namin. Ang ginagawa ko lang talaga, mop and then ating vacuum lang. Ating walis lang. Mga klase ganito. Alright, y'all, let's see. Let's see kung gano'n kadumi. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh my God, saan mo na masyadong madumi, oh? Let's see kung gano'n kadumi. Let's see, ay, papakita ko sa inyo. Sa inyo ko muna ipapakita, ay. Sa inyo ko muna ipapakita, hindi ko pa nakikita. Ah, is it bad? Is it bad? Is it bad? Wait, let me see, let me see, let me see. Let me check real quick. Oh, what the hell? Oh my God, damn! Y'all see this shit? Ew! Wait, oh my God, no! I think kailangan ko pa siyang pasadahan ng isa pang ganito. What do y'all think? Sweep ko pa ng isa? I think pwede ko pa siyang sweep ng isa. Ew. Do y'all see the difference? Oh, oh. Wait. Thumbnail, y'all. Thumbnail. Thumbnail real quick. Can I use the other sheet? You know what? Let me use the other sheet, John. Or is that AO? Can I do that shit? Papasada ko lang na isa pang ganito, pero yung kabilang side mo. You know what? Let me do that shit, John. Kasi nagtitipid ako. Nilinisin ko na lang to. You know, itong kabilang side naman yung gagamitin natin. Is that AO? I think that's AO. Is that how you do this? Isang pasada lang. Papadaan mo mga ganit natin isa. We can map that. Ew. What am I thinking? What the fuck? But yeah. Nagtitipid ako. So I need to do this shit lang. She a homebody. Share. Hindi ko nililisin to, itong loob niyan. Kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung loob niyan. I mean, hindi naman ako dumadaan dyan. Kaya itong main floor lang yung nilinisin natin. Is that type shit? And I think di muna natin siya imamap. Ang gagawin na lang natin ay pupunta tayo sa isang bahay natin para puntahan yung toy car and then start lang natin and then uuwi tayo dito at saka natin mamap. I-sprayan lang muna natin ng baygon yung buong bahay. Is that type shit? Kasi maraming lamok lagi eh. Every time kumakain ako, every time nandito ako sa dining, lagi akong nilalamok. So, i-spray natin yung buong bahay, right? Viguchi, oh Viguchi. Viguchi. You see how dirty that shit is? Oh my god, it's still dirty as hell. But on this side. Wait, let me remove this shit. Be careful, oh my god. Oh, hindi naman kumapit yung dumi. What the hell is this? What the hell yan? So, kung naghahanap kayo ng sign, kung kailan nyo i-sweep yung bahay nyo, sige, sweep nyo na. Tignan nyo ginawa, tignan nyo nangyari sa akin, no? What the fuck? Back to back. Ew. Sweep nyo na yung bahay nyo, yo. Pero hindi ko alam kung mag-i-start yung toy car, pero yung huling punta natin, bigla siya nag-start. Pero papaayos pa rin natin siya. And then, kapag pumunta tayo doon, gagawa tayo ng TikTok content para sa toy car natin. That's a must. That is a must. Meron pa pala tayo isang lilinisin, no? Yung isa pa. Yung isa pa tayo lilinisin. This part! Naalala niyo yung luma kong microwave, dito nakalagay, and then sa dumi niya. Yung luma kong microwave na nasira, and then ito na yung bago. Hindi ko pa rin siya nalalagay doon. I think mag-iisang buwan na, hindi ko pa rin siya nalalagay kasi madumi. So yeah, linisin muna natin to, right? Bago tayo umalis. What the hell? V8, yo, V8. Tignan lang natin yung toy car natin and then type shit. Let's go, yo. Let's start spraying some shit here in the house. Sprayan natin ng baygon yung buong bahay. Oh, wait. Oh. Viguchi, oh my god. Nalabas ko isang bote, what the hell? Ito tayo sa kabilang bahay namin, right? I-start natin yung toy car and gagawa ulit tayo ng short sheet. Like, gagawa ulit tayo ng skit para sa toy car natin. Para sa main TikTok account natin in the future, right? Kailangan ulit natin to. So yeah, amak-amak to pag nandun na ako sa kabilang bahay. Tayo siya. Be here. Oh my gosh, it's dirty as hell again. What happened to you? So yeah, gagawa lang tayo ng skit saglit. Tungkol dito sa toy car. And then yun. Type shit. Just a little skit. Kailangan natin gawa ng kada punta natin dito sa toy car. Kailangan natin gawa ng content para sa TikTok and shit like that, right? Is that type shit? Yeah, that's structured. So yeah, it's another day kung mag-i-start ba yung project car natin, right? Dito sa call start, no? Mag-i-start din. And now, gagawin na natin yung pangalawang skit natin, yo. Pangalawang skit natin. Let's go, let's do it. Check the acting skills, yo. Check the acting skills, right? Wait. Let me go. Mas pinapamasok? Tingnan ko lang po. Let's do one more take, guys. Oh my God. Can y'all hear? Can y'all hear that shit? Narinig niyo ba yung narinig ko? Wait. Let me 0.5 para marinig niya. A only tour is part for you. Saan yan? Para nila nalamang favorite ka yan. It's true. A only tour is part for you. Now watch your party on you. Y'all heard that? Sino nagpapatugtog nun? Paano nila nalaman yung sound trip ka? After it will come true. All you do is party for you. Now it's party on you. I only do this party for you, for you. So yeah, we done here in the house, yo. Na-start na natin siya. Stable na ulit siya. So yeah. Uwi na tayo. And then yeah. Type shit.
Where your road at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit? Think they just rapping out shit? Where your road at?